Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Cocos token. In my last video, I was showing you how the price line broke out a very big up channel. And after breaking out up channel, the price line was moving in a down channel, a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame. And by the way, the up channel was formed on the weekly time frame, and the wedge that I was showing you was on the daily time frame. And finally, the price line has broken out the wedge, and in today's video, I want to share the next expected targets with you. But before moving to the charts, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to share a harmonic move that the price line formed on the daily time frame, and I recently shared with my members at the Patreon a few days back. And here you can see that the price action formed this move. And by the way, this chart I shared here on 6th of December, when the price line had this drop and entered the buying zone of a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move on the daily time frame. And you can also observe that we also had 200 simple moving average in this buying zone. Therefore, I told my members that this buying zone is quite wide. Therefore, we can, in order to minimize the loss ratio, we can set our stop loss as 200 simple moving average daily, and this will reduce the loss ratio. And our sell targets, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this guardlay move, are $3.66 and goes to $5.51. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has started the price reversal from here, moving to the upside, but at the same time, it has also broken out the resistance of a falling wedge on the daily time frame, on the same daily time frame. This is really very powerful bullish reversal setup. At one side, we can see that the price line has formed a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move, and on the other hand, the price action has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge on the same daily time frame chart. And let me show you a very important support. If I place this trend line here at this spike of the candlestick and switch this chart to the weekly time frame, then we can see that while we had this previous rally, the price line found this resistance that was approximately $1.80 as a very strong resistance. And after a strong rejection, the price line had been moving below this resistance level, finally broke it out here in the month of November 2021. And after breaking out this resistance, finally the price line has also tested this previous resistance as a support as well. And while testing this very strong support, the price action has broken out the falling wedge on the daily time frame and also formed this harmonic bullish reversal setup. And this was the reason I was showing you this harmonic move with the combination of this falling wedge pattern as well. This is really very powerful bullish reversal setup. Now, if we take a look at the RSI oscillator on the daily time frame, we can see that after this high, we were having lower highs, but after this high, the price line is forming higher than previous high. And if we take a look at the RSI is also forming higher than previous high. So there is no bearish divergence on the chart. That is really very positive gesture. And you can also call it as a bullish gesture as well, because the price action has broken out the resistance with no bearish divergence at least. Now, our next expected target can be here approximately at $3.80. And the final target can be here approximately at $5.35. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.